Here are 3 things that I personally have found important and that I believe you have to do when you're meeting with sellers of off-market properties. Number 1, you have to establish trust and credibility. If you do this, you can really get the seller to let their guard down and realize that you're here to help them, and then they'll start working with you. Number 2, fact-finding mission. Go on that mission to find out what is generally important to the seller. What do they want to do with the money? Why do they want the money? What is their plan? When you really dive in, you're also going to help them let their guard down because they're going to see that you care and you're genuinely trying to help them solve their problem. Last but not least, once you find the problem or the issue or whatever the motivation is, present solutions. Listing the property could be one, but also maybe you buy it. Maybe you rent it out for them and manage it. Present all options and don't seek to lead with what makes you the most money, but what actually helps the seller. In doing this, you're going to establish credibility, you're going to build a great relationship, you're going to get referrals, and you're going to do the right thing, which is really helping somebody get to where they want to go. Hey, so like a rent check, these tips will pay dividends. A real entrepreneur knows this. So like and follow for more.